Hi, I'm Barbara Cassidy. Those throat tinges that I've been talking about and that I will give you some more very simple, easy recipes to use to help that. We get so busy that this is just simple, easy, and you can have it pre-made. Today I'm going to talk about a throat spray. Super easy to put together using this mouthwash. By the way, this is really good for you. It's got clad oil silver in it. You could swallow this. Can you swallow your mouthwash? Just asking. Anyway, we're gonna put in 1 ounce. This is a 2-ounce bottle. So you know how I like to measure, right? A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. I'm gonna use the rest of this bottle, I think. Yep. All right, I'm gonna empty this bottle. You know how close I measure, right? As long as I'm close, I'm happy. All right, now I'm gonna add essential oils. So, Thieves is the first one I'm going to add. And what's the difference? Anybody know? Nothing. Just a white label and a brown label. The oil inside the bottle is the same. It's a simple little thing called FDA labeling. Let's just say it, okay? I did. So anyway, the oil inside these bottles are the same. So this one's not open, so of course I'm gonna use the one that's open. So I'm gonna add Thieves. And then I am going to add Copaiba, great for inflammation. All right, and one more. This one's the powerhouse. I am going to add the oil clove. Powerhouse, y'all. I even add this to my, I add a series of oils to a dropper that I add to my toothbrush every morning to keep my mouth super clean and healthy. All right. Now, when you get that tinge, I personally like something that I can really feel in my throat. So instead of just your typical drops that you add in there, I like to add just 1 or 2 more of cloves. I like the kick. You don't have to. With children, maybe you might want to reduce it. Totally up to you. I'm just giving you some basics on this. All right. So again, this is a 2-ounce spray bottle. I am going to finish filling this with distilled water. I use distilled water for a reason, and that is because I know no matter how long it takes to use this, I'm not going to have any foreign objects growing in water that is not clean. So always use distilled water if you're making something you're not going to use right away. Just a little tip there, a little bit more. Now this is so easy. All right, that's good. I'm gonna put the top on. Remember not to fill your bottle all the way because you don't want it to be spurting out all over when you go to put the topper on. So I'm gonna put the spray top on. All you have to do is shake this and then put 2 to 5, 3 to 5, whatever you want in the back of your throat when you begin to feel that tinge. And again, this is awesome if you keep it in the refrigerator. Nice cool spray going on an irritated throat. Can't ask for anything better. Hope this helps. Blessing. May you have wellness, purpose, and abundance.